Hello everyone, welcome to the Geoecologist. I'm Dr. Krishnanand and I'm here to tell you about the blog writing competition that we have started on our new website, that is mygeobeats.com. So let's go ahead and understand what are the important features of this particular writing competition. So if you look into this competition, you'll find that the theme here for the March month is education in India. So if you are an interested writer, if you are a learner, if you are a UPSC aspirant, you could think of writing an article as a blog here on our website, and best 5 entries will be published. All the details are given in the poster. In the community section also we have shared it, and also you can go to our website, that is my GeoBeats, and you can see for yourself. The details are given. The email is given here as well, mygeobeats@gmail.com, where you can send us your entries, and the details of the entries are given here. The do's and don'ts are also mentioned there on the website. So 28th of February 2023 is the last date for submissions. So if you see, this is mygeobeats.com, nature, science, current affairs. We have different sections: books, nature, science, current affairs, courses, blog. So all the top 5 entries will be published in the blog section, and you can check for other blogs already existing on our website, which is listed here, related to books, related to current affairs, science, nature, and you can browse the website yourself. Also, you can follow our page mygeobeats on Instagram, because all the results will be announced on Instagram. So definitely subscribe to this page, definitely follow this page if you are interested in new updates. The language of the blog could be in English as well as in Hindi, and all other instructions are given on our Instagram page as well, on the Geoecologist Instagram page as well, and for future as well, we'll have separate themes. So this particular first theme of March 2023 is education in India. So all my best wishes to all you participants. Take care, enjoy the competition.